In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze workforce trends in QuickBooks Time using the browser interface. Start by opening your browser and signing in to QuickBooks Time. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Reports. This is your central hub for everything we'll use today. Under the Tracking section, choose Hours by Team Member. This report gives you a clear view of total hours worked by each person, which is a great baseline for spotting patterns. At the top of the report, adjust the report dates to the period you want to analyze. Try a weekly view for short-term trends like spikes in overtime, or a monthly view to see broader utilization and allocation patterns. Next, use the Group by drop-down to change how the data is organized. Group by team member to focus on individual performance, by customer to see how time is distributed across clients, or by project when you're tracking effort on specific jobs. Switch between these views to get different angles on the same time data. If you need to account for break time, check the Include Unpaid Breaks option so totals reflect that context. Then refine what you're seeing with the Filter by Customers or Filter by Groups. Team Members Controls. This helps you zero in on a single team, a department, or a set of clients without distraction. Pay close attention to the Billable column and the billable rate. These fields help you connect time with revenue, so you can identify where effort translates into billable work and where it doesn't. If billable rates are set up in your account, you'll quickly see which projects or teams are driving returns. For deeper insights, explore other reports under Tracking. Hours by Full Customer shows exactly how much time is going to each client, which is useful for understanding client load and potential overservicing. Hours by Group helps you spot trends by team or department, like heavy workloads or consistent underutilization. Job Costing by Team Member lets you examine costs per employee tied to projects, helping you compare effort against budget. When you're ready to share or analyze further, use Download Grid CSV or Download List CSV to export the data. Choose the format that suits your workflow or the tools your managers prefer. Finally, revisit these reports with different filters and date ranges. By comparing periods and views, you'll surface trends like overtime, tardiness, project allocation, and employee utilization, and turn those insights into action. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.